Today, Shefali and I are exploring restaurants that were once iconic but are now forgotten. So, Shefali, which is our first restaurant for the day?
Barbecue Nation.
Barbecue Nation, which was once extremely iconic and probably one of the most frequently visited spots for Indian families, is now a dying restaurant. So let's see if it is still worth the money or या सिर्फ nostalgia के लिए बचा है. तो हम आए हैं Barbecue Nation के oldest branch में, बैंगलोर का oldest branch, which is the इंदिरा नगर branch. My first time here was in 2012. मेरे चाचा मेरे को लेके आए थे and after that I have come to Barbecue Nation multiple times. बट देन 2022 में मेरे साथ एक इंसिडेंट हुआ था, ठीक है. आई वेंट टू महादेवपुरा बारबेक्यू नेशन एंड देयर वाज अ फुल कॉकरोच इन्फेस्टेशन एंड आफ्टर दैट आई स्टॉप्ड कमिंग हियर.
My last time was guess.
To barbecue nation, your last time was what, 11th standard?
2012, 6th grade.
6th grade.
Celebrated my 12th birthday in Barbecue Nation.
Even I have celebrated a birthday in Barbecue Nation. My 16th birthday was in Barbecue Nation. Now that we're back, first impressions not bad at all, right, chef?
Yeah, pretty recent, honestly. Surprised actually.
And they have served their classic Cajun potatoes and fried corn with some pani puri and of course some chicken starters. Let's get started, chef. You have to start with their potatoes because that is what they were known for, na? Okay, never mind. That is actually pretty good.
It's good only. The mayo is too much, but...
And the fried corn? Not bad at all, right? Guys, we walked in with very low expectations due to my past experience. But honestly, we're off to a great start. Place looks damn clean. I don't see any insects or anything of that sort. Or maybe just this branch, because this is their flagship branch. The one that I went to in Mahadevpura, oh my god. They actually, they didn't just shut that Barbecue Nation, they shut the mall only. Time to try the charts, guys. मेरे पास पानी पूरी है and papdi chaat है. And now I'm going to be Shefali's personal pani puri bhaiya. I'm going to make you a bite. Hold. Let me teach you how to make pani puri, guys. First you take your puri. Aloo bhara hai usme already, which is very disappointing by the way. There's barely any aloo. You put your pani and then this last step most of you can't do. Put it into a girl's mouth. I am pani puri bhaiya for the day. How is it?
A little sad.
How's the pani? Okay. Let me try the papdi chaat. Papdi is too thick. You can skip it. Now guys, the way to test the restaurant is by their chicken tikka. Here's the chicken. We're gonna try it now. And if this is good, then honestly Barbecue Nation will pass my test. Okay, because perfecting a chicken tikka is simple but it's not easy. It all starts from the quality of the meat. If your chicken is of good quality, then the tikka will be amazing.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us.
You're welcome. Madam, please.
Wow, you're being too nice today. What are you going to... What is your plan?
My plan is to make you pay for this.
Jokes.
Chicken tikka taste test. You want chutney? It's dry as fuck. Masala is nice, but the chicken is a little dry. Honestly, I think the marinade is so good that I can give it a 6.5. So far, I think Barbecue Nation ke iconic dishes, the fried potatoes and the fried corn is good, but everything else is average.
Yeah, average at best.
हाँ सर, क्या है ये?
लाइव का स्पेशल सर, ये KFC चिकन.
Deep fried chicken.
KFC चिकन.
KFC chicken. अच्छा, thank you. This is something new, chef. This is the first time I'm seeing KFC chicken at Barbecue Nation. It actually looks pretty good. Oh my god. What the fuck? It's so good.
Better than KFC.
Obviously better than KFC. KFC is not even a benchmark. This is like on par with BYG ka fried chicken.
Bro, this with some mayo, peri peri mayo dip, I would love it as a snack.
Honestly, this fried chicken is a solid 9 on 10.
Yeah, easily.
The crispiness, the spices, the juiciness, everything is bang on.
The coating is not too thick.
It's perfect, man. I don't know. They perfected this fried chicken. I don't know where they started failing that they had to shut down so many branches and they became a loss-making company.
I feel like people just outgrew the concept itself, because
The concept of buffets.
the concept of buffets plus this barbecue thing.
We are now done with the starters and overall I would rate the starters a 6.5 on 10. Honestly, I might give it a 7 also because the fried chicken was so good that it's going to bump up the entire rating. But yeah, let's move on to the main course. I will get one biryani and I will get one roti curry as well. And we'll end this meal with desserts. Bhai, bachpan mein, when we used to come to Barbecue Nation, we would get just starters and desserts.
Yeah, that was the thing, right? You finish the Barbecue Nation starters and head to the dessert.
शुरुआत करते हैं बिरयानी के साथ. That does look like a decent biryani. Long grain rice, and some birista. Oh, standard biryani. Yeah.
Very decent biryani, bro. Like,
Yeah, it's a decent, very decent biryani. Like no complaints. Like I cannot pick on something and say that this is bad about it. And the best part is it's not like too much oil or ghee in it. Biryani हो चुका है. It is now time for roti curry. मैं लाया हूँ यहाँ पे एक mutton curry, एक chicken korma and एक egg masala. Let's try the chicken curry with the butter garlic naan, man. Put properly curry, man. It's okay if your hands get a little dirty. You know what she did? छुआ छुआ के खा रही है. Really good.
I like it.
The naan is also really good. Oh, but the meat is cold. Touch that, chef.
Oh.
It's cold to the touch. Why is the meat cold? Let's try the naan with the mutton curry. There's no taste only in the mutton curry.
Yeah, there is no taste. That's why I said I don't like it.
You don't like it at
No,
all?
I would rate it like a 2 on 10.
Oh my god, bro, that's a little too brutal, huh? Done with the main course. Roti chicken curry, phenomenal. Mutton curry, a little dull, but the pieces of mutton, decent. Biryani, also very decent.
Yeah, and now I'm excited for
Desserts. These are the desserts that we have taken, starting with gulab jamun. This is what chef is the most excited for.
It's so tiny and cute.
उसके बाद हमारे पास कुछ मैंगो फिरनी है, कुछ चॉकलेट पेस्ट्री, कोकोनट पुडिंग, ब्राउनी, lots of desserts. Should we start with gulab jamun?
Yeah.
No, that will be too sweet.
Yeah, that's actually true. We'll start with firni.
Firni. Let's start with firni. Sugar is a little less,
Yeah.
but you could almost say that I like the fact that it's not overly sweet.
You remember the one we ate in Udaipur?
Oh, firni in Udaipur is amazing. So for those who don't know what firni is, it's basically a rice pudding.
Bro, I would eat one more of this. It's good.
But first, let's try everything else. What is this? What do you think this is?
Rabdi.
Rabdi, yeah, that's rabdi and some motichur laddu at the bottom.
10 on 10.
10 on 10?
I like it too much.
Let's try the coconut pudding. Yeah, no, yeah.
It's like coconut oil.
Yeah. Let's try the brownie. Brownie sucks.
I don't even want to eat it after these Indian desserts.
Last thing, gulab jamun. Let's go, chef. Yeah, I just realized something. This is our first buffet together, apart from breakfast buffets.
Really?
Yeah, we've never eaten a buffet together.
Shit.
Yeah. Cheers to that. That's a good gulab jamun, right?
I told you when I looked at it only, that's nice.
So ये था Barbecue Nation का experience, and all in all, it was not a bad experience. But then the question arises कि why is Barbecue Nation dying? ठीक है? Why are they shutting down so many outlets? So I thought about it. The reason being that पिछले 10-15 सालों से they are serving the exact same things.
Yeah, with no changes, bro. Like, it tastes the same.
Taste also is same.
The marinade is the same. The concept, I think the concept died out because the competition is so high.
Correct.
For
There is no innovation. It's the same foods, the same desserts, and the same marinades, and that is why there was a decline in the popularity, right? And also the buffet culture, live grill culture. It was great when it came out first, but now it
was
died.
something so new that everybody wanted to try it. Bro, it's like Bangalore, you know, there's a new pub, everybody will try it and then it dies.
But I feel like, you know, in the last 3 years, Barbecue Nation has made a comeback. 3-4 साल पहले, it was way worse. The quality of food had also dropped. They were doing a lot of cost cutting, but now they made a comeback.
And they've renovated all their outlets also.
Yeah, but yes, moving on to our next restaurant. This is Rajdhani. दोस्तों Rajdhani एक थाली restaurant है, which is also declining in popularity, and they've shut down multiple branches. This is the first time Chef and I are going to a pure veg restaurant.
God, that is so sad.
Yeah, it is sad, but we belted enough chicken at Barbecue Nation. Khandani Rajdhani. Be treated majestically. Unlimited food, unlimited happiness. So guys, you're welcomed in Khandani Rajdhani with this tikka. Tikka, it's a family restaurant.
I'm blind, I can't see it only.
It's okay, you are blind. Nice, cute little place, bro. Our first time doing a thali. We've never eaten a thali also.
I've eaten a thali so many times.
Where have we eaten a thali?
Goa.
Oh, fish thali, you mean? Dal bati churma. You never had, no? Oh, chef. Dal bati churma. Taste test. That dal is very good. Right?
Dal is really nice.
Dal, this is proper Bihari style dal.
Homely, bro.
Very homely dal, yeah. This is actually a lassi. Oh, I love it. एक एक करके हमारी थाली भर चुकी है. Let me tell you what each and every item is. ये कुछ तो पापड़ी सब्ज़ी है, ये है हमारा पनीर, ये है आलू गोभी, ये कोई चने की सब्ज़ी, ये दाल, ये पता नहीं क्या है, ये है मीठी दाल गुजराती स्टाइल रसमलाई. Also guys, doesn't Shefali look cute in tikka? Can we eat what we are the most excited for first? Rabdi and malpua. That is fresh. How's your malpua rabdi?
Yummy.
Yummy, no? It's giving full shadi vibes. The last time I ate this was in a shadi in Pune, which chef and I went for together. I didn't vlog that trip, yeah. It was a client's wedding. You know, that client had lost 40 kgs under my guidance. He's doing amazing now. Simar, if you're watching this, proud of you, man. And your wedding was amazing. Food was amazing. Thank you for hosting us in Pune. Let's try the roti and paneer curry. Alright guys, is this paneer makhani with roti. It genuinely feels like home cooked food. Like if my mom made a paneer curry, that is how it would be. I want you to take a piece of fulka, taste the paneer curry, and then you will realize what I mean by कि मेरी मम्मी ऐसा टेस्ट बनाती है.
Oh, paneer curry is too good.
Yeah, it is. Why do I have a hatred against veg food? It actually tastes good. Unlike Barbecue Nation, there's not one item on my plate that I can say which is bad.
Bro, have they put sleeping pills or something? Because I'm feeling damn sleepy. Like I want to take a nap.
It's all that ghee, you know. They are pouring ghee on top of every sabzi. The way we are eating today, you eat like this, to pakka you'll become 150 kgs again. Dying restaurants are dying due to poor business administrative moves. You know, either expansion is too fast or just because the concept is a little dated, but the food wise, not bad at all.
Quality food, bro.
Yeah, it's really high quality food. We're done with our meal here at Rajdhani, and honestly, veg food,
Pretty decent.
right? And Khandani Rajdhani, actually really liked this place. The vibe here was very nice, very soothing, very comforting. Almost felt like I was not in Bangalore for a while. पेट फटा जा रहा है guys. 5,000 calories have been consumed in like 3 hours time. I can eat a lot more, but when you squeeze it all together, I feel so uneasy, man. You know, I just want to sit here for a bit. Tired. This is me all the time. Yeah, I always overeat and then regret.